Hey, I'm Shauna Coronado, and I am in the Netherlands. No kidding. And I'm here with the DeWit family, and they have a marvelous tool company, and they are solving a very difficult problem for me. What happens when you go to pot a container with a trowel? The soil spills out all over the place. So they're coming up with a trowel that won't spill the soil. Right now, I am sitting with Dirk. Hello, Dirk.
Hello.
And Dirk is designing on his computer at DeWit Tools my special trowel. I think we should call it the Shauna trowel.
Oh, that's a good idea.
We've designed the tool on the computer, and now we're going to make a prototype. The tools mean something more to your family than just tools. Yeah.
I think it's the proud of our family to make the best garden tools in the world. So every tool carries our name, and that's quality.
It represents you.
Yeah.
Who all uses your tools?
It's about 50% it's commercial landscapers, city workers, construction, road builders. They are using our construction tools and gardening tools, and the other 50% is consumer products. So high quality gardening tools for people who've tried the lower quality made in China and decided I want to have some better in my garden.
It lasts longer.
Guaranteed a lifetime for the USA.
Really?
Every single tool, yeah.
An investment then?
It's an investment for the rest of your life.
Yeah. It's an investment in your family. I mean, in the DeWit
well,
family, yes,
yeah.
absolutely. Yeah. How do you help your community?
Creating jobs. We are offering jobs to disabled people, mentally disabled people who can't find a place, a working place in the society. We give them the opportunity to work in the factory, to learn in the factory, and if they are real good, they can grow from our factory to a regular job again. That's what we do for the local community.
Well, thank you very much for helping me build a tool.
Well,
it was amazing.
Every product has a piece of the DeWit soul family.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what we are carrying out.
A little bit of soul. The Shauna trowel that we built has a little bit of soul, and when I carry it, I will think of the DeWit experience, which is really wonderful.